HDMI Association officially releases the test specifications and application documents for HDMI 2.1 Cat3 cable on August 31st. Elka sent the test samples to the designated ATC for certification testing and obtained it formal certification in October. This not only symbolizes Elka's long-term efforts in HDMI technology and also demonstrates our rigorous attitude towards product development. In order to comply with ultra-high-speed HDMI trademark specification, Elka will arrange more HDMI products to ATC and meet customer needs in the future. In order to comply with the ultra-high-speed HDMI trademark, all certified HDMI cables must be affixed to UHS label on the product packaging. This label contains full information listed on the left. When consumers purchase qualified UHS HDMI cables, scan the QR code to know the corresponding product information. Please note that UHS cable must be purchased for an additional fee, and there is a minimum order quantity required. In addition to UHS label marking required by HDMI Association, Elka does not compromise on the material requirements. The conductor of the wire is oxygen-free copper, and the 3-layer shielding composed of 85% copper braid to ensure effective noise isolation. The outer cover is UL fire retardant material, except the connector is gold-plated material. An EMI metal shield is added to ensure that audio and video signals are not interfered by the outside environment. Since the specifications and characteristics of HDMI 2.1 Cat3 cable are far more stringent than HDMI 1.4 cable, Elka must pay attention to certain high-frequency spec during product development and production. Otherwise, you will not pass the test. The characteristics of cable have a great impact on the overall performance. Elka selects the best rough cables to meet the high standards of HDMI 2.1 Cat3. Ultra-high-speed HDMI cables requires a tightened range of differential impedance as shown on the left. This increases the difficulties of termination and process control. Due to this, Elka sets high standard for the process, and the impedance must be controlled within the standard. The stripped wire length of UHS cable is much shorter than premium cables to meet the strict impedance demands by HDMI Cat3 specification. It will require more precise termination and process control during production stage. In addition to sophisticated in-house test equipment for product development, Elka also teamed up with third-party labs like Alien and Simple Labs for product verification and certification. This is EMI Laboratory. Here is the EMI test report. In order to serve customers around the world, except for China, Elka has established multiple production bases in Southern Asia and Taiwan to produce a wide variety of products. We expect to help customers reduce the risk of supplying from single origin and also provide services to tariff-sensitive countries for cost-saving options. Elka takes HDMI 2.1 as an ecosystem. In addition to short-distance transmission, Elka also introduced active and fiber solutions to the market. We aim at offering HDMI 2.1 solutions for the application length from 0.5 meters to 300 meters. More peripherals also will be introduced later.